Good day everyone, welcome again to another episode of Basic Transfer Pricing, and today I will discuss to you the meaning of control. No? So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng control pagdating na po sa transfer pricing? No? So International Accounting Standards or the Philippine Accounting Standard 24 define control as the power to govern the financial and operating policies of an entity so as to obtain benefits for its activities. So ano po yung meaning ng control? Power to govern financial and operating policies ng entity, no? At ano po yung purpose? To obtain benefits for its activities. So yun ang sinabi ng Accounting Standards 24, no? Revenue Regulations 2-2013 define control as referring to any kind of control, no? So any kind of control, direct or indirect, whether or not legally enforceable, and however exercisable or exercised, no? Moreover, control shall be deemed present if income or deductions have been arbitrarily shifted between two or more enterprises. It further defines control transaction as any transaction between two or more associated enterprises. So sabi nung ang Revenue Regulations 2-2013, ito yung Philippine Transfer Pricing Guidelines natin na regulations, na ang control daw is any kind of control, kahit anong klase ng control, no? Pwede siyang direct or indirect, pwede siyang legally enforceable, meaning may kontrata, and however exercisable or exercised. Pwede siyang i-exercise, pwede ring hindi. But ang control nangyayari din kung ang income or deductions have been arbitrarily shifted, no, between two or more enterprises. Ibig sabihin, kanya yung income pero for purposes of control, hindi niya dineclare, pinadeclare niya doon sa ibang company, no? So, control transactions as any transaction between two or more associated enterprises. So, pag associated enterprises ka, meaning associate kayo, mayroon na yung control transactions between those enterprises which are associated. Control is defined by IBFD. Sino po ba itong IBFD? This is the International Bureau of Fiscal Documentation based in Amsterdam, Netherlands, no? So, meron po silang International Tax Glossary at ang sabi po doon, control is a relationship, no? Pag may control kasi, control is a relationship. Ibig sabihin may link, no, sa between the two entities. Typically in a corporate context, no, sa corporation, which indicates a certain degree of common interest. Meron silang common interest. Why? Kasi same people, same group, no? By way of shareholdings between the controlled and the controlling party. So yun ang definition po ng IBFD, no? Ibig sabihin daw ng control is a relationship in a corporate context, no? May common interest. Generally used in the context of transfer pricing, anti-avoidance measures such as controlled foreign company rules, or in the context of relieving measures such as group treatment. Yan naman yung ginagamit dun yung salitang control. The definition of control vary from country to country and according to the particular measure. So, depende, no? Sa atin dito sa Pilipinas, yung control under IAS or PAS 24, yun ang sinusundan natin as the accounting standards, no? A shareholding of more than 50% is generally considered to amount to control, no? Kasi pag sinabi mo more than 50%, majority ka na, no? So with a distinction often being made in favor of voting rather than nominal share capital, no? Kasi pagka more than 50% ka na shareholding, ibig sabihin majority ka. So pag majority ka, pag may dating sa botohan, panalo ka na, no? Kasi majority ka eh. Purpose of control: to gain benefits from the activities of the controlled entity as defined by IAS 24. So, ano po yung purpose ng control? Para magkaroon ng benepisyo sa mga activities ng controlled entity, no? Kasi mahirap yung control, how to execute control. Mahirap, hindi yan basta-basta. Kaya, ano bang ibig sabihin bakit may control. And what is the purpose of control? Kaya ang sinasabi dito, to gain benefits. Kasi, as an economic entity, hindi mo gagawin yung isang mahirap na bagay na wala kang pakinabang. No? That's against the economic principle. No? The element of control can be manifested from the dealings of the associated enterprises, the parent and subsidiaries, especially in the pricing of goods or services transferred between subsidiaries. So, saan yung isang avenue or yung isang opportunity na magkakaroon ng control sa pricing of goods and services between the related parties, no? So, sino yung mga related parties? Ito yung parents, tapos magta-transfer siya ng goods or services sa subsidiaries or yung subsidiaries papunta sa parents, no? So, control is also manifested through the power to govern financial and operating policies of an entity, no? I read one case in transfer pricing, no, as meron ng verdict yung court, resolved na ng court, na ano lang yung pinatunayan ng korte doon, na there is really an element of control. So, that talo na yung taxpayer, no? Ang ginawa lang ng tax authority is to prove that there is control in the related parties. Oh, paano po nila pinakita yun? Anong proof ng tax authority to prove that there is control on the policies of the related parties? Through the meeting of the board, no? Yung minutes of the meeting of the board of directors. Why? Kasi napatunayan nila doon na lahat ng mga proposals ng subsidiaries hindi inaaprobahan ng parent company. So, sino ang may control doon? The parent company controls over the subsidiary, no? So, yun lang. Just to prove na there is an element of control, the transfer pricing issue has been resolved in favor of the tax authority. So, with that, I would like to say thank you and have a good day.